Bengalurians are unable to believe their ears when they visit vegetable markets. Well, onion is selling at 45 rupees per kg and tomato at 56 rupees per kg. A few weeks ago, they could have bought almost 2 kgs of onion and 3 kilos of tomato for the same amount. Tomatoes have become a nightmare for the residents of Bengaluru, one of the most essential and desired vegetables that can be found in any kitchen, for that matter, has become dearer 3 times in a matter of a few weeks. On 27th June, tomatoes were sold at 18 rupees per kilogram. The following day, prices were up a rupee, but 2 days later, that is on the 30th of June, the price was shot up to 30 rupees per kilogram. And today, they are sold at 56 rupees per kg. This implies in 20 days' time, from the 27th of July to 17th July, the price of gas had gone up by 38 rupees. Well, in fact, this is what the prices look like in different markets. Beans in Hopcoms, it is 70 rupees per kg, whereas in Big Basket, it is 104. In Food World, 90 rupees per kg. In Namdharis, it is 108 rupees per kg. And in the city market, it's the least of all at 60. Onions, another crucial vegetable for the Indian kitchen, is 37 rupees in Hopcoms, whereas it is 35, 30 and 35 kg in other private markets, whereas in city market it is 30 rupees per kg, once again the least of all. And tomatoes as well is 56 rupees per kg in Hopcoms, which is at least a 200% jump in comparison to the June prices. Least being in Food World, which is in Namdharis, I beg your pardon, which is 37 rupees per kg, but in city market it's about 40 rupees per kg. Potatoes 35 rupees per kg in Hopcoms and 28 rupees per kg in the city market, whereas in Big Basket it is 32, Food World 38 and Namdharis 34. Coriander leaves, another essential and fundamental vegetable in the Indian kitchen, is 172 rupees per kg, of course, but people do not buy it kg wise. But this is the price that we have, and it's 160 in Big Basket, 180 in Food World, 176 in Namdharis, and 100 rupees per kg in the city market, which is the least of all. Well, be it carrot, green peas, cabbage, capsicum or potato, vendors were quoting higher prices for almost all vegetables. The vendors across markets in the city attribute the steep hike in prices to the scarcity of rainfall and crop loss. Customers say vegetable sellers are just trying to make a fast buck now. If you thought 45 rupees per kg is bad, there is worse data coming in. Data available with the Horticulture Department reveals that onion production has been hit due to insufficient rains in May and June. The sowing season for the crop areas like Tarikere in Chikmagaluru, Jagalur in Chitradurga and Gadag and Hubli districts, which are key onion producers, are set to suffer losses. My colleague Bansi was at the market just a while back. Let's listen in.
This is Madiwala Vegetable Market, one of the largest vegetable markets in South Bengaluru. Let's find out the prices of vegetables. Well, here we have tomatoes. Tomatoes are selling here in this market for about 50 rupees. So expect it in your homes for anything over 55 rupees, because the push carts normally charge about 5 rupees more than the markets. Now the beans here is about 80 rupees. A different variety of beans costs about 100 rupees. So 80 to 100 rupees for beans. Now beans again ruling very, very high. Carrots there are not any cheaper. They are about 60 rupees a kilo. So expect it in your homes for about 65, 70. Also, if you look at the vegetables, now tomato rates are extremely high. Now these are the normal tomatoes. They are ruling at about 50 plus per kilo. Now, yakishtu bele jaasti agide tomato?
ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ತಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಳೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರಿ ಸರ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೋ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ
ಇದು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು
So tomatoes, the supply has come down. That is the reason why tomato prices are so high. Now here the carrots again, supply is affected, so carrot prices also very high. Carrots are ruling at about 60 rupees per kilo. Now what we see here is the regular vegetable market. Idu green peas estiде?
Green peas 120 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
Okay. So green peas here is about 160 rupees and 120 rupees. At an earlier place they said it is about 160 rupees. So green peas at 120 to 160. Now the beans out there is about 80 rupees. 80 rupees, that is the beans cost. This variety of beans costs 80 rupees. This variety costs about 120 rupees. Now this is a different variety of beans. This costs 120 rupees. Now look at the different vegetables. ಯಾಕಿಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರೋದು?
ಐಟಮ್ ಮಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಳೆ ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಬೆಲೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರೋದು?
ಅದೇ ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರೋದು. ಬೀನ್ಸು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತೆ ಇವಾಗ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್.
Okay, so expect high prices when you go to your vegetable market, and often the shopkeepers do not reduce prices because their own, in fact, the selling price, the price at which they buy is also very high. So there is very little margin for them to cut down the prices. So blame it on the poor supply. And how long will these high prices reign is a big question. With camera person Patil, this is Bansi for News 9.
Well, in fact, there we have it. A trip to the market could get a lot more costlier now thanks to the increase in gas prices. Vegetable prices have also increased to a great extent, while on one hand the farmers as well as the vendors are blaming it on the rainfall deficit as well as crop loss for such a price hike. On the other hand, consumers are feeling that this is a false inflation of sorts that is being generated by the vendors as well as the middlemen concerned.